Hi my lovely friends, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to a new video of Ankita Zora. Today's video is extremely special for me because I have not done this type of video before, and it is about a DIY of beauty hacks, and it is extremely beneficial for everyone, especially the one who have dry skin like me. But with little tweaks in it, it can be used by any one of them with any skin type. So without doing any further delay, let's get started. So now I will be showing you my first DIY, which is oatmeal face pack, and it is very nourishing and hydrating face pack. It does wonders to your skin, and if you have a dry skin, then it is a blessing in disguise. So let's see how to make the face pack. For oatmeal face pack, we need three basic ingredients: oats, I have powdered it, and little bit of milk and honey. So I will take 2 spoons of oats powdered, 1 scoop of milk, and small amount of honey. Mix it well. If you then check the consistency, we will require some more oats. Mix it well. You could see these granules of oats. It also acts as an scrub. So now your face mask is ready. Apply it. Apply generously in your face. Leave it for at least 15 minutes and then wash it off with warm or cold water, and then don't forget to apply moisturizer. That's very important. So now our second DIY is about besan turmeric face pack. So now let's watch how to prepare. For besan turmeric face pack, we need besan, a pinch of turmeric, and milk. Instead of milk, you can use fresh cream or malai, whatever is available at your home. Malai is the best. I don't have it right now, so I am using milk, but if you have malai or fresh cream, please use that. I'll add some more. And this is the consistency. And this is a great face pack for giving you an instant glow without taking off all the oils from your skin. So here it goes. Apply it nicely. Keep it for 15-20 minutes and then wash it off with water. Apply moisturizer and then you are good to go. So in the third and the last DIY, I'll be showing you how to make a moisturizer at home using aloe vera and coconut oil. I'll take 1 spoon of aloe vera and 1 spoon of coconut oil. I will mix it well. Here I use my fingers so that it mixes out very nicely, and you could see it is a very good moisturizer. And then apply it all over your skin. It is very nourishing and very hydrating. And you can see when you apply in your skin, it also gives you a subtle glow. Apply it gently, and some of you might feel it to be sticky. In that case, you can keep it in your skin for about 20 minutes and then wash it off with plain water. And for someone like me who have extremely dry skin, this goes very well. and I don't need to wash off. So I mix it very nicely so that it absorbs inside, and then you can see it also gives a glow. You could see the difference. See, check out. Do let me know guys how you liked the DIY. If you are someone who have never used oats honey in your skin, then please, before trying out the face packs, give it a patch test in your arms or in some area which you are comfortable with, so that your skin does not break. And if you are someone who have used oats and honey and all the other products which I have shown you, then do try it out and let me know your experience in the comments. If you like this video, give a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and yes, if you are new to my channel, do subscribe. Bye. Stay tuned for my upcoming videos.